Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer rewards with American Express, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer rewards with American Express, start by logging into your American Express account. Navigate to the rewards section of your account dashboard. Select the option for transferring points. Review the list of partner airlines and hotel programs available for transfers. Choose the program you wish to transfer your points to. Make sure to check the transfer ratio for the selected program. Next, select the number of points you want to transfer. Ensure that you have enough points in your account for the transfer. Enter your loyalty program account details as prompted. Confirm the transfer details to ensure accuracy. Once reviewed, initiate the transfer. Wait for a confirmation message indicating the transfer is complete. Check your loyalty program account to verify that the points have been added. Remember that transfers can take varying amounts of time, depending on the partner program. Keep track of any promotions or bonuses offered for point transfers. If you encounter issues, contact American Express customer support for assistance. Enjoy your travel rewards and benefits from your transferred points. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.